Today's recipe, Bangalore Idly Sambar. Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Shri Bala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking.
It's everyone's dream to bring a hotel sambar or a Tiffin Sambar in the home and make their children very happy with that sambar. So today we are going to do a Bangalore style Idli Sambar or the hotel sambar. Come, let's see it.
Kindly make a note of the ingredients needed for making the sambar. I have broken them into 3 components. I'm going to explain it in detail also. If you see, these are Guntur chilies. I have taken 5 numbers, Badige 4 numbers. Then I've got coriander seeds, equal portion to the chilies. Then I've got Bengal gram, half of it. Then I've got coconut. So chili to coriander should be equal and Bengal gram half. Then you are going to have coconut. Next I'm adding cumin, fennel, black pepper, poppy seeds. This is very important for the sambar. Then rice, black gram dal. Then I'm going to add little bit of fenugreek. Then coming to the vegetables, keep the vegetables very minimal. I'm adding drumstick, onions, shallots, tomatoes, curry leaves and fresh coriander. Next important ingredient is the dal, green gram and the pigeon dal, that is moong dal and tua dal, equal portion. Then I've got tomato puree and tamarind pulp. I'm going to extract this into a pulp. These two are also important. Now I'm going to boil the dal with a pinch of turmeric and I'm crushing shallots and adding 2 to 3 pieces of tomatoes and I'm going to boil it. Again, remember all the steps I've been telling till now. I'm going to boil it nicely. In the meanwhile, let's start preparing the masala. Red chilies are going to be added in the end. I'll tell you why. I'm adding the coriander first and then I've added the Bengal gram. Next, I'm adding all the other ingredients together. So, coriander seeds have gone in, chana dal or the Bengal gram has gone in. After that, I'm adding all the other things which I've kept in the plate. Last, I'm adding the red chili. The reason is we want the color to be perfect red. That's why we're adding the chilies at the end. After switching off, add the grated coconut. Let it cool. Now, in the kadai, I'm added oil and I'm adding very little of shallots and the cut onions. I'm going to fry them in the end and add it in as a seasoning, but I'm adding very little for the flavor here. Then the curry leaves. Generally, the hotels don't add much of the vegetables in the sambar, but for flavor I've added drumstick. In some of the hotels like Darshini's and all of it in Bangalore, if you see, it will be only the onions and the tomatoes. Now the tomatoes. I've added salt. As soon as you add the tomatoes, add the salt. Then I'm adding the tomato puree. This is probably, it is new for few of you. This helps in getting the color and light tanginess also. Now I'm adding the tamarind pulp. Not many will know that the tomato puree goes in a sambar. Then I'm adding jaggery. That you can add a generous portion of jaggery so that there is a tart sweetness in the sambar. Let it cook. I have simmered it. See the way the dal has got cooked. Keep it aside. boiling really well. I'm going to add the paste. After cooling the ingredients, grind it into a smooth paste, adding water. As soon as you add the paste, you can see the color changes. That is because of the badge chili. I'm adding little extra water. You can adjust the consistency as per your requirement. Keep it as runny as possible. I've added a pinch of hing also, that is asafoetida. I've added oil. I'm crackling mustard. It's boiling really well. Then I'm adding cumin. Then I'm going to add the red chili and curry leaves. Now I'm adding the balance onion and shallots. Fry them nicely. Add the dal to the sambar. You'll have to do parallel activities. Remember that. See the way I've kept the sambar very runny. It has to glaze some more and caramelize. So I'm going to wait. It's done now. I'm going to add it on top. You'll have to feel the aroma. It's awesome. Add some fresh coriander on top and half a teaspoon of ghee. It will open out the flavors completely. I will also show you how to serve the sambar on idli. Take idli and pour the sambar on top. Next, I am going to drizzle some fresh raw onions. This will give you a nice bite. Then melted ghee on top. Awesome, isn't it? Then a dash of coriander. I hope you would love this recipe and be definitely doing it for your children and your family. Please do share your feedback after cooking this idli sambar. It is a personal favorite of mine because my daughter used to love this sambar while I was working in Bangalore. I'm sharing that with you. Hope you would enjoy it. Thank you.